Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to view location history on Life360 so you can see where your family or friends have been. So let's get started. First of all, open the Life360 application and make sure your device is connected to the internet. Then go to the circle, tap the circle tab at the bottom. You'll see map with all the members of your circle and their current location. As you can see, this is the map. Here you will see all your members that you have in your circle. Make sure that you have selected the circle that you want to look the location of the people. Now select the member, tap the member icon or name on the map. This opens their profile where you can see detailed information about their movements. Select the profile of the people. Now you can see their location from here. After that, view the history. Scroll down to find the location history. Life360 will show a live timeline of places the member has visited recently, including timestamps and addresses. You can also view this on the map. And that's it. You have successfully checked the location history on Life360 app. Like this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.